Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the wait time before the phone answers automatically on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down, and in here tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Then in the interaction section, tap on answering and ending calls. Next, tap on answering automatically. Tap on the left hand side panel. By default, it is set to after 2 seconds. Now you can choose 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or you can set a custom time. And that's it. So that is how you can change the wait time before your phone will automatically answer the call. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.